Well, if you have noticed your car gulping down fuel faster lately, you are in crazy and it's silent. If you have noticed your car gulping down fuel faster lately, you aren't crazy. And a silent change at the pump is exactly why. It's called E20 Fuel, a blend of 80% petrol and 20% of plant based ethanol that is rapidly taking over fuel stations. But while it's praised for slashing emissions and boosting octane ratings for sharper city acceleration, it hides a dark side that has motorists completely divided. Because ethanol is highly hygroscopic, meaning it really attracts water out of thin air. It can corrode unmapped older engines, degrade fuel line rubber seals, and trigger rough winter cold starts, all while hitting your wallet with an estimated 5% to 10% of drop in the fuel economy. Yet newer, fewer vehicles engineered specifically for the high oxygen blend are thriving on the added anti-knocking properties, leaving millions of drivers caught in the middle of the massive automotive gamble. Is this the green fuel revolution we desperately need, or is it silently destroying your engine from the inside out? Share your valuable comments. Cheers. Take care.